The texture of oats and nuts chocolate chip cookies is fluffier, melt in mouth, chocolatey and nuttier. This is a recipe for cookies which never fails. Not only your elder kids but even toddlers will love it, and you will be happy to offer them because it is so healthy and keeps those hunger pangs at bay. So let's bake it. Cookies, you will need 3 cups of oats, half cup of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, half tablespoon of chocolate powder, 1 cup butter and 3/4 cup of brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of milk powder, which is completely optional but gives very nice texture, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Nuts of your choice. I am taking 3 Brazilian nuts. Brazilian nuts are loaded with selenium and zinc. If you find them, you should use it. Also half cup of almonds, half cup of cashew, salted pista, walnuts and some chocolate chips. If you want, you can add some pumpkin seeds as well. Start by grounding the nuts. To mixture jar, take 3 Brazilian nuts, 2 walnuts, half cup of almonds, 1/8 cup of pista, half cup of cashew, and ground everything to a coarse texture. Now you may either use a chili cutter or pulse it. The texture should be grainy and not a powder. Okay, all set. Then to prepare the cookie dough, attach the paddle to the beater and make sure the butter must be at room temperature or else you will have huge mess if cold butter. Alternatively, if you are in hurry, then just grate the butter first and then add 3/4 cup of brown sugar and beat it for few minutes until butter and brown sugar combines well. For baking, brown sugar is best and I would avoid using white sugar. Once it is smooth, add 3 cups of quick oats, coarsely grounded nuts powder, half tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, which is totally optional but I think it really offers a great texture. If it's handy, add it or else skip it. Now using your hands, try to combine everything well. I am not using a stand mixer or beater here because I don't want to overmix them. Okay, at last add half teaspoon of baking soda and half cup of whole wheat flour and add chocolate chips to your preference. I am adding 1 tablespoon. I am using 3 tablespoons of milk, just that it helps to combine everything. If the butter is enough, then you may not need to add milk even. Once you are able to form a lump, it's good. Take a small portion and form a ball and press it firmly between your palms. These cookies taste awesome when they are thick, so better keep them thick, and to attract your kids, give impression using chocolate chips of your choice. Make a flower impression using chocolate chips, or today I am giving a teddy shape. You can also use yogurt bites, so it will be white and brown, which also looks decent. I think so. And my best practice is I start the preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit while I'm shaping the cookies. So till time the oven is ready, cookies are ready as well. So here my cookies are shaped and it's time to bake. Place cookies in the oven and bake cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the top is slightly crusty and bottom appears light golden in color. I bake for around 15 to 18 minutes. My kids like slight fluffy and crispy cookies, so I bake it slight more. And you keep on checking your cookies and don't run away far from the oven. When bottom is light golden, it's ready. It will smell really irresistible, but you will have to wait till cookies cools down completely. Look at that texture. It's really awesome. Worth trying. This cookie stays good in an airtight container for over a month, but trust me, cookies are so delicious, they will vanish away real quick. With oats, another variation of cookies I often make is oats, cheese and herbs cookies, in which I don't even add sugar, and those are my personal favorite. Please feel free to subscribe for more recipes. And in my family, this is hit, and with a glass of milk, these cookies are quick and healthy breakfast for kids or an evening snack to munch at evening time or a long drive, maybe. So that was all from my end. Bake these cookies and make your kids happy. See you real soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, God bless and stay connected. Bye bye.